On the mobile device, navigate to your toolkit just as you would on a computer. Log in, and then, from the Home drop-down menu, select Mobile Forms. If you are logged in as a Level 5 user, you will only be able to submit forms for yourself. If you are logged in as an administrative level user, you will have the option to select many clinicians. If you're preparing a tablet that will be used for multiple clinicians, you'll want to select All for the clinician ID here. This will allow you to change the clinician ID on the form itself. If you have a choice on the location field, make sure that it's set correctly. Otherwise, your forms will submit with the wrong site ID and may not be visible to you from your toolkit. Select the form type you'd like. If you're preparing a form that will be used by multiple clients, set the client ID field to N/A. This will let you enter it on the form itself. Have the page display the URL and hit Go. You should now be given a URL that links you to the appropriate form. You may want to bookmark it or set up a shortcut for ease of use. If you visit the form's URL, you should see all of the information you populated or opted to leave blank on the prior page. If you opted to leave clinician ID or client ID blank, they will need to be filled in every time here. If you set the clinician ID to All on the prior page, you'll see that there is a drop-down menu that allows you to select from available clinician IDs. You'll want to make sure that the client and clinician IDs are correct before letting the client fill out his or her responses. That way, they can simply press the Save Record button once they are done filling out the form. Make sure that the tablet is connected to the internet, and that way all of the data will be transferred to our servers. At this screen, the client should return the device to you, or to your front desk staff. If the record's submitted correctly, it should indicate it here. You or your front desk staff will then need to simply back up a page, reset the form, and repopulate client or clinician IDs as needed. Then, the form should be ready to go for the next client.